Nachman, Rabbi says, Master says that there's sometimes a person successful in humbling the heresies, that the philosophies that the world is a natural arena of events, and is able to uphold that the world is in fact was created and runs from the desire of God. It's all very strong will of God, but a person can have doubts in this, in his will, in his desire, in his ratzon, even though he's somewhat successful. It could still be a weak desire. And the same way that the charity is successful in humbling and bringing down the heresy of nature, it is also able to strengthen and solidify his ratzon, his desire, and his belief in the desire of God against the heresy. Nanach, Nachman, Nachman.